Hey everyone, Dave here again. Hope you're doing well. Like you, I work hard for my money. But before I spend my hard-earned money on a new product, I do my homework to see if it really works. And in today's video, I want to share my opinion on T-Burn and if it really works. I've come to the conclusion that T-Burn does work. However, some of the claims that I've seen are a little misleading. I've seen many videos where people are claiming to use T-Burn and losing 10, 20, 30 pounds, but what they are not really clear on is how long it took them to lose that weight. In truth, you will not instantly start losing weight just by taking T-Burn. You see, T-Burn is a 100% all-natural, vegetarian, gluten-free, non-GMO product that you add to your favorite tea beverage. And what it does is it basically works in unison with the tea to improve your metabolism and aid in weight loss. This is a gradual process, and to truly start seeing results, you need to give T-Burn a chance to show its effectiveness and use it for a good 90 to 180 days. Now, if you're like me, you've probably searched and found many websites claiming to sell T-Burn. Well, I'll save you some time and money. T-Burn is only available through their official website, which I have linked down below. So please, don't be fooled by any other sites. I don't want you getting scammed. Give T-Burn a chance. I think you'll be glad you did. And if you order now, you'll be able to get it at a special discount. And rest assured, if you're not satisfied for any reason, they offer a full 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. I hope you enjoyed my video and found it informative. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, my friends, bye!